Problem number 40. For this one, you have to notice that we are doing absolute value. And when you're doing absolute value equations, in order to solve them, you actually need to solve them twice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something called, well, that I call like splitting the equation. So the first way you write it is exactly how it's written. X subtract 3 is less than or equal to 5. And you'll notice I took off the absolute value bars. The second way you write it is to kind of account for that absolute value. You write x subtract 3, but instead of less than or equal to, you write greater than or equal to, and instead of 5, you write negative 5. So you'll notice I've switched this sign and I've switched this sign. So you're switching two things. Now to solve them, you do the same work. Add 3, x is less than or equal to 8. Add 3, x is greater than or equal to negative 2. Now I'm going to look at my answers and see which ones I can cross off. That's wrong, and that's wrong. The reason they're wrong is because neither of them uses a negative 2. They use a positive 2. Now I'm down to B or D. This one says to shade x is less than 8. X is bigger than negative 2. That would be this one, because less than 8 means this way, bigger than negative 2 means that way. This one is shaded the wrong way. That's shaded less than, and that's shaded greater than. So your answer is B.